Hey, it's Alex, and today I'm talking about all things kit and how buying new equipment can add value to your services. I'm not sure if I'm the only one, but a lot of the time, any money I'm earning, I'm never buying things for myself. I'm always reinvesting that money into the company and into my work. Recently, I bought a Ronin S, a gimbal from DJI. I've always wanted this gimbal ever since it's come out. However, sometimes it's hard investing in an expensive bit of kit. You've got to think about whether it will benefit your business, but also whether it will help you make the money back you've just spent. There's always something exciting and rewarding about unboxing an item that you've worked hard to get. Getting new equipment allows you to learn more skills and open the doors for more opportunities. Tomorrow I have a shoot that requires all areas of cinematography, so that could be anything from talking heads to cinematography to basically anything. So today I'm going to go through all the equipment I'm going to take tomorrow and go step by step through why I'm taking it and what I'm using it for. So I'm going to go through each different section of all this layout and show you what I use and why. This area here is quite self-explanatory. I've got my lenses, my camera, my batteries, my microphone, that kind of thing, but I'll go through it more in depth now. Currently I'm using a Sony a6500 for my video work. I am upgrading that to the Sony a7R Mark III very soon though. Lenses I'm taking are my Sigma 16mm, my Sony 35mm and my Sony 18-105mm. Of course batteries, you can never have enough batteries, and then I have my Rode Video Mic Pro with the extender cable there because I'm doing some talking heads, so that'll be important. Also a portable charger because that's always useful, and some light batteries for these lights over here, but we'll come to that later. Also I brought my little Joby Gorilla Pod because I use my hot shoe clips here to mount my Rode Video Mic Pro to that Joby whilst I'm doing the interviews. Then I've got my Verbon tripod right here. Obviously that's pretty self-explanatory. I need that for the talking head videos. Over here, as I was saying, I have two bicolor LED light panels. These are really good because on the back they have two slots for batteries, these right here, and also two knobs here to make the light more yellow or the light more white. Of course, I'm bringing my DJI Ronin S because they need some cinematography done, so this will make life so much easier. For this shoot in particular, I'm bringing along my 2018 15-inch MacBook Pro because I need to edit on shoot, and that's why I've got my external hard drive and cable with me, and also this little beauty. This right here is a lifesaver. It's a USB-C to USB port. Everyone needs this in their life. And finally, the thing that everyone's been waiting for, two light poles to hold up these two bicolor lights. You know, I've left the best till last. Well, that was my current kit, but I'd love to know how you justify upgrading / buying new equipment. Let me know.